This video shows how to mark a guest as VIP. Hotelogix lets you easily mark your special guest as VIP. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation and click View Details. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Edit icon under Guest Details. The Guest Information panel opens. Select the Mark as VIP option. Note: you may uncheck this option to remove the guest's VIP status. Click Save. The guest is now marked as VIP. A unique VIP code gets assigned to the guest, which can be seen next to the guest ID and guest name. Hotelogix lets you offer special rate plans and promotions to VIP guests, which they can book directly using their web booking console. This brings us to the end of the video on how to mark a guest as VIP.